Hello everyone, I'm Sowson and today we're cooking the perfect pork chops, the ultimate pork chops. It is the white meat, it's going to have the perfect marinade and it is accompanied with tomato and mint salad. You're going to love this. It is low in carbs yet high in protein. Take you 15 minutes at the end of the day. You're going to enjoy this one. Are you ready? Come on, let's start cooking. Now just grab your pork chops before we start the seasoning and just snip the fat on the ends. That will stop it from curling. Okay, we're going to start with a little salt and pepper. And of course, over the counter, barbecue sauce. And the same on the other side. Okay, now with your fingers, just rub it all in. Perfect. Let's start cooking. Just heating up the oil and nice and gently. Now, right about now, we're going to add some thyme leaves. And a few cloves of garlic. Do not peel them or crush them, keep them whole. About now I'm going to add some butter. Let that melt away. A packet of cherry tomatoes, half a red onion, a bunch of mint, lemon zest, pinch of salt, pepper and balsamic vinegar. A little olive oil, now that didn't take long at all. I've just let it rest in a plate and then I'm going to start assembling it. And honestly, it just took a few minutes, 15 minutes at the max, from start to finish. It'll be perfect at the end of the day and the kids are going to love it. Okay, my gorgeous friends, it's time to go. Got to set the table, everyone's hungry, and this will go really quick, trust me. Look after yourself and God bless you all. Goodbye, everyone.